OpenKM provides the possibility to insert stamps or watermarks on documents. To check it, we select a document. In the context menu, we will find the stamping functionality. The DMS displays a full document screen in its workspace. We can change the background color of the preview and access the list of stamps in text and image format accessible to the user. Here we preview the document with the stamp in text format. If we agree, we stamp it by clicking on the Stamp button. The system automatically takes us to the place where the file is located. The stamped document has been updated. Here we can see the appearance of the current version of the document. The administration panel manages all the stamp formats, where the characteristics of each seal are configured, and the users with the right to use each pattern are selected. Also, the stamping functionality must be enabled in the user's profile. For more information on managing the stamp functionality, we invite you to consult the documentation in the OpenKM Knowledge Center.